Looking for the best cell phone signal boosters? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cell phone signal boosters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, SolidRF Signal Plus Cell Signal Booster. Pros: dual antennas easily cover large homes. Boosts 4G LTE and 3G signals. Designed for multiple users on the same network. Durable parts. Compatible with all major cellular brands. Cons: finding the optimal location for the antennas may take a few attempts. Bottom line: this cellular phone booster is a solid choice for basements, metal buildings, and bigger homes with distinct dead spots. At number 2, weBoost Drive Sleek Signal Booster Kit. Pros: compatible with all major cellular carriers. Optimized for 5G. Extremely easy to install. Charges your phone while you drive. Cradle fits all phones. Fairly priced. Cons: not the best option for extremely remote areas. Bottom line: if you regularly lose your cellular connection while on the road, this conveniently designed cell phone signal booster is the simplest, yet most effective solution. At number 1, weBoost Installed Home Complete. Pros: offers the best performance. Great for rural locations where cell signals are weaker. Easy to align antenna. Improves signal strength in an area of 7,500 square feet. Installation included. Cons: very pricey. Location of antenna is vital for performance of the unit. Bottom line: it's quite an investment, but it works extremely well at strengthening signals in areas with poor reception. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.